What's up YouTube, Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. Yes, you guys, once again, I am down the cookware aisle here at Walmart. It's been a few months since I have given you guys an updated cookware video, so I figured we'd go ahead and get started. We're gonna focus mostly on the Pioneer Woman, but we might also look at some new items that I'm spotting by brands like Nordic Ware, possibly some items all the way down here by Tasty and by GreenLife. I'm seeing some really pretty and refreshing colors for the kitchen. So yeah, you guys, let's go ahead and just jump right into it with the Pioneer Woman. I'm noticing these are really nice. I think they're 7-quart stock pots. Now they're kind of all over the place, but I believe the price is $34.94. Here's the SKU. Actually, this is the 12-quart. So how much? $34.82 for the 12-quart. I think these are all the 12-quart. The 4-quart, if you can find it, looks like it's $19.72. But look at this little cute one. Look at this color. It's so pretty and unique. I really like it. This is the 3-quart enamel cast iron Dutch oven with lid. And look at the lid. This would be a really pretty color for fall. Okay, the 3-quart enamel, I think this is $34.97. Then we have the pretty teapots with the butterfly and sort of a stoneware handle, silicone, kind of a hard plastic silicone spout. Wow, that's a nice seal. Again, $24.84. Never seen this brand before. A 6-quart enameled cast iron Dutch oven. The brand is Beautiful. Ooh, is this Drew's new line? This is definitely brand new. It looks like we have black and white. It says made by Gator. Make something beautiful, Drew. The 12-inch nonstick is $19.97. I feel like we're just seeing a lot of new colors as well. We also have some new colors. Ooh, this is so smooth and nice. This is by Thyme and Table. Comes with the felt cookware protector, $15.88 for a 10-inch nonstick fry pan. We also have it in a 12.5 for $18.92. This is so smooth. It feels so nice. And then we also have it in a green. They're saying it has an extra large cooking surface. This is what the outside looks like. $18.92. And again, the little one for $15.88 with the light green. Let's take this one down. And the light blue. These are definitely brand new. We also have a 12-piece set, durable nonstick cookware set, $79.97, and also in the black for $97. Looks like we have a set down here by Tasty. It might be in the wrong place though. A 24-piece set by Tasty, dishwasher safe, easy clean cookware set. This is what it looks like. Even comes with the recipe book. I just found a clearance Pioneer Woman 4-quart ice cream maker. It's right here in the middle of the aisle. What do we get? Okay. Makes ice cream in 30 minutes or less using electric motor-driven paddle. Heavy duty freezing canister, includes churn paddle and convenient see-through lid. Easy to clean interior plastic liner with exterior real wood housing It has a locking motor mount, keeping freezing canister in place when churning. And it also includes flavored ice cream mixes and rock salt. Okay, you guys, but don't forget, the flavored ice cream mixes and rock salt is sold separately, so make sure you're prepared before you grab this nice clearance item. But you guys, my store has a ton of them. If you have had your eye on this ice cream maker, definitely grab it now. This little frying pan is bright red and comes with a matching spatula, dark wood handle. This one is $10.76, a little bit bigger, and no spatula. $29.97. Ooh, a cast aluminum griddle. The handles are a nice silicone. $99 for this set. This is the classic cookware set. 12 pieces, $99. We have another enameled cast iron Dutch oven. This is the 6 quart for $44.97. I just can't get over this one. It's just so cute. Let's look at a couple of these. The Nordic Ware Naturals. This has a lifetime warranty for $24.97. Wow. Pure uncoated aluminum. It's really heavy and nice. Made in the USA for $24.97. Also a lifetime warranty. We also have this little guy here, the little saucepan, but I'm not seeing a price anywhere. They all coordinate. They all have the same matching handles. We have some woks here, one for $17.77. It's a 14-inch. And then we have another 14-inch with a light cast iron for $28.77. Let's head down to the tasty items. Oh, but I got distracted. Look. These are the As Seen on TV green diamond and blue diamond toxin-free griddles, fry pans, saute pans with lids. $39.76, $28, $19.88, $29.98, also $29.98. And the super cute pink set by GreenLife. Look at that pink. It's a 14-piece set for $79.94. We also have the blue healthy ceramic non-stick. It looks like we also have some other colors. Sort of a greenish blue. Ooh, the pink is so pretty. Look at that. Look at that. So cute. Oh my gosh. Why do I love pink so much? I just do. $24.94 and it's the last one. Ooh. I think these are brand new from Tasty. $29.97. It's an 11-inch non-stick wok. Wow, I love how smooth the handle is. It's a nice silky smooth silicone handle for $39.97. We have one with the lid. This is actually not a wok though. This is called a forever pan. This one is so cute for $14.97. They're calling this the Smart Heat Cast Aluminum Pan. It's an 8-inch non-stick. Look at these little ones. $7.48. Aw, with the mini spatula. We also have it in blue. It's the Tasty mini fry pan. We have a cute little ceramic non-stick Dutch oven. This is, it's the 5 quart, so I believe it's going to be the 27.88. Even more, the 12 inch for 18.76, the 14 inch for 22.97, and the pretty ombre green. I love the white inside. Like, if you cook on TikTok or YouTube or Instagram, this would really make your colors pop. Like if you're sauteing vegetables or making anything, I think the colors would really pop against the bright white. We also have a non-stick wok, 14 inches for 19.88. And then down here we have some sets. 79.96 for the 10-piece set. The 16-piece set is 79.96 also. $69 for this one in red, and $69 for the pretty green ombre set. Easy clean ceramic non-stick set is what they're calling it. Well, you guys, I think that's it for me for this video down the cookware aisle. If you need and want to see more, definitely put in your request down below in the comments and let me know what I should show next time I come back. I'm here to help you find the things you need for your kitchen and for your next cooking project. Anyways, you guys, I'm out of here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.